You're looking at a 2018 Honda Clarity plug-in hybrid with 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 61,000 miles. This vehicle gets over 40 miles on electricity and 40 miles per gallon on gas. You can run it on either or. It does qualify for the it qualifies for the IRS tax credit. Up to $4,000 if your income allows it. As a plug-in, you can run on gas or electricity. Plate numbers right here. Nice, super clean car. Backup camera with a signed Lanewatch. Dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, heated seats, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth. It's got 61,291 per miles. Nice clean car, no odors, no dog hair, no burn holes. Just a nice, super clean vehicle. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301. Thank you.